my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. What happens in your divorce with your house? Can you be made to sell your house? Well, kind of. It's sort of a yes or no. You won't be made to sell your house if the parties can agree on what to do with it. If the parties agree that you're going to get the house in lieu of another asset or retiring of a liability, and we're all good with that, the court won't force you to sell it. The problem lies in that, let's say you have a house and it has $100,000 in equity, which means if you keep it, you're keeping their $50,000 because that equity should be split. If you're keeping the whole thing, we owe them $50,000. How are we going to get it to them? So if you've got another $50,000 lying around, you can write them a check or take out an equity loan or do something else to work that out, fine. But if you can't, the question becomes, will the court, left to its own devices, let you keep the house and let the other person get paid, over the next 10 years? The answer is no. The court is, in most cases, in the liquidation business. If you can't figure out how to pay for that house, if you can't do it that way, then the court is going to say, you know what, we're just going to sell it and split it. That way nobody has to owe anybody any money. That's the cleanest way to do it. So will you be forced to sell your house? Not necessarily, if you can work it out so that if there is a liability there, it's somehow otherwise paid. But if you can't, your lawyer's going to tell you, look, we got to give them their money somehow. They need their money so they can buy a house and find a place to live. They're not going to wait 8, 9, 10 years until the kids graduate college for you to, liquidate the house. It's just not going to happen that way. So the answer is the parties won't be forced to sell the house if they can work it out. If for any asset, if they can't work it out how to split it, more than likely the court will order the asset sold and the proceeds split. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.